Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have an exciting video for you today and a great box. And this is my selfie box for November 2020. This is fastly becoming a monthly favorite. I don't know if they're ever going to take Boxy's place, but they are very close and they are a lot of creators' favorite boxes. So we're just going to open this right up. But this was not taped closed at all. And I'll give you a little sneak peek for the November box. It's $25 a month with free shipping. All natural, vegan, cruelty-free beauty and skincare items. You get 4 to 5 unique, luxurious, full-size products with a value of at least $100. And you can buy an individual box for, I think it's $30 if they're still available on their website. If you see a box and you love it, go check their website and buy the individual box. You pay a little bit more, but you're also not getting the reoccurring billing. I say this every video. I love their mission statement: self-empowerment, self-love, self-esteem, and self-care. And it says, "We are thankful for you," from Selfie Box for November. Beautiful card. And this does give us items or products, I'm sorry, with pricing, which is always nice. So I'm going to say, let's stop right here. And I have a giveaway from Selfie Box. So if Selfie Box got in touch, they gave me this box to give to one of you. So this is the October box. I'm going to be unboxing the November box. So I'm going to move this to the side. And I'm going to give away the Selfie Box that they sent for October. But as a bonus, because I truly do love this box, and for $25, I think it's a steal. I honestly do. The products are always great products. I have not had one problem whatsoever with any of the products. So this is the box they sent, and I'm going to give my October box away. So there'll be 2 winners for this giveaway. My box is across the room. If I could be 100% prepared all the time, it must drive you guys nuts, because it drives me nuts. So I'm going to show you what's in real fast, what's in the October box. So the theme was spooktacular. You know, you'll get the card. It has, you know, the list of products on the back. And I'm not going to open these. Most of you have seen my video for October. The only thing that I will tell you is this is the pumpkin spice under eye cream right here. I opened this to show you, and I touched the top to my hand to smell it. So I cannot give my pumpkin spice away because I did test it. I will include in my box that I'm giving away for October another product similar in size. It just won't be this product. I haven't decided what yet, but I will find something comparable and include that. So you're getting the pumpkin spice eye cream. You are getting the Trust Fund Beauty Just Talk to My Lawyer. This is worth $16. Beautiful nail polish. This is right here. Great winter color, holiday color. That's a full-size bottle of polish. Oh, the pumpkin and spice for whoever gets this box is $55. And like I said, I will pick something comparable. $16. Both boxes will include that. From So Susan, this right here is a Pore Camouflage worth $26. I will just open this to show you. You will get, I have that in my box that I did not try. So that's what that looks like. So you're going to get that as a giveaway. I think this is very nice of them to do. And then from Beauty for Real, this is a high def mascara worth $19. Okay, I don't want to destroy package right here. Let me see if I can get this open. Maybe I can use my scissors, wherever they may be. I just don't want to tear packages since I'm giving this away. Okay, so everything. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to show you the packaging. So this is the mascara that you're going to be getting. This has a value of $19. And then the last item, which was really great when I did my unboxing. Oh, I forgot there's another item down here. This is all included. This is like a kit. So you get a bag from IBY. Right, so you get the bag. Get the beautiful fan brush. That's part of it. And then the 3 highlighters. Now, I'm not going to open these 3 highlighters, but there's 3 highlighters. This one is Per. I can't read these. That looks like Prosecco. Oof. Cannot read the names on these. I am so sorry. They're so small. You can hear Oreo playing in the background. They're all 3 highlighters, so you get the 3 highlighters, the brush in the bag, the mascara, the So Susan Pore Camouflage, the eye cream, and the nail polish. So one winner will receive the box that came directly from Selfie Box. Let me get my November box back. And then I will give away my Selfie Box from October, so that I can have 2 winners. And like I said, I will replace the pumpkin spice with something comparable. I don't know what it is yet, or I would show you. And real fast, this is going to be open to U.S. residents only, unfortunately, because they only ship to United States. So basically, you know, this is to help them draw traffic to their Instagram, to their box itself. And hopefully, you know, if you win this box and you love it, you'll subscribe. Or you see that they're doing giveaways like this with creators, that you will, you know, subscribe to their box. So if you're outside of the United States, you can't get the box. You can't subscribe to it. So we're going to keep this U.S. only. You have to be 18 years or older to enter any of my giveaways. If you're under 18, you should not be entering. And if I even think that you're under 18, you're going to be disqualified anyway. So don't enter if you're not 18 or older. And one of the rules that, you know, for Selfie Box, like I said, to help bring traffic to them, is you must follow them on Instagram. I will list an active link in my description box that you can click on it, go over to Instagram, follow them, and, you know, I would say like a few posts, if, you know, this way they know that you're there. They can see that. And all my rules apply, because I'm giving one of their boxes away and I'm giving my box away. So all my rules apply. You have to be subscribed to the channel. It has to be verifiable. So make sure that who you subscribe to is public, not private, before you comment. And then just follow all the other rules. There will be a keyword. I am not saying it in the video. It will be in the description box. So you have to use the keyword. So mandatory is to go over to Instagram, follow Selfie Box on Instagram, and like a few of their posts. If you want to comment on them, that's up to you, but I would like a few of their posts to show them activity. Use the keyword that will be in the description box, and you must be subscribed to this channel. And that they are the rules, and they will all be listed in the description box. If you don't remember them, just open the description box up down below and read the rules. And this is, today's date is Thursday the 19th. I'm actually filming this the day before, but it is going to air on Thursday the 19th. I'm going to keep this open for 2 weeks. So this giveaway for 2 winners, one from Selfie Box themselves and one from me, will end on Thursday, December 3rd. Now, normally I don't end my giveaways during the week. I end them on Sunday, but I already have a giveaway ending on Sunday. So I'm going to end this on the 3rd. And I will come back to this video. I'm not going to post a standalone video. I'm going to come back to this video and I'm going to pin a comment as to who the 2 winners are. Unless I decide to make a video, I'm not sure, but I don't know where I would put that video. I'll have to decide what I'm going to do. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I will be checking Selfie Box's Instagram account to make sure that you did subscribe to them. And, you know, I'll leave their other information down. They do have a Facebook page. That's not going to be required. But if you'd like to go over and follow them and like them on Facebook, that would be fine too. If you don't have an Instagram account, you cannot enter because you have to follow them on Instagram. That's part of the rules. And that's the end of the giveaway portion. And now let's resume the November box. Love this. Love the card. And let's just get right into it because these boxes always are super exciting. And this is from, let me see if I can figure out where this is from. Herbal Dynamics. This is a huge tub Flawlessly Firm Body Butter, $25. Let me just see what... Oh, this has some good stuff in it. CoQ10. Diminishes the appearance of cellulite and achieve younger, firmer looking skin. I'm all about that. Let's see if we can figure out how this opens. Oh, I see the little tear. I love when they have them little pull tab things that you can just open. Most things do, but sometimes you can't see them. Let's put that there so we can see what this looks like. I like when it has the safety top. If I can get into this. Okay. And that, oh, that smells beautiful. You know, it's a body butter. You don't mind a little scent. I'm just going to put a little bit out on my hand. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. You can eat that. I'm hungry. Can you tell I haven't eaten dinner yet? Let's rub that in and see for body butter. Oh, that smells nice. Smells nice. Like, I don't mind that after a shower. Or even, you know, you shave your legs, dry legs. Oh, that smells so good. Feels nice too. Not greasy. It's not tacky. Absorbs right in. Okay. Love that. $25. That's a definite bonus. Let's see what's wrapped up here. I love when things are wrapped up nicely. Let's cut into them. Oops. Double wrapped here. We'll save that. Okay. So this is from... Is this Galactic? No, this is not. Solo Giovanni CoQ10 Renewal Serum, and this is sealed, so I'm going to leave this sealed. This is an eyedropper, $30. Let me just see. Specially formulated to protect the skin from environmental pollutants, powerful antioxidants, and skin calming properties come to the rescue. CoQ10 has skin firming properties that help reduce fine lines and wrinkles and restore natural radiance. Cruelty and paraben free. A lot of their products are, I would say almost all of them are the cruelty, vegan, you know, paraben free. All the good stuff, no bad stuff. Oh, this is really nice. We've gotten these before. These are always great to get. This is the mini makeup eraser, $12 value. Let's, oops, just drop the card. And let's see what this one is. So this is a nice pink one. Sometimes the minis are good to leave out. I love these. They work so nice. Love makeup eraser. Somebody had suggested get me one of them little grabber things for when I drop cards, because it's not always easy for me to get them. And I really should do that. Great idea. I don't remember who said that. So that is $12. Definitely worth the $12. Let's see. There's some more goodies in here. Let's see what this is. A lot of dust from these squiggly things. So this is from Cab Beauty, and this is the Charming Lip Set. $38 a lip set. I didn't know that was a lip set. Lip liner, lip gloss. Awesome. Wow. Wow. Now, see, this is where, look at the size of this. I want to show you a normal size. Okay, I'm just grabbing one out, and this is from Wet n Wild. Okay, here's a normal. So it's pretty much the same height, a little bit shorter, but look at the difference. You can see the difference in the width. So this is a huge, huge, I'm going to be doing a declutter video soon, because I cannot, like, I can't even close that drawer. So that's a great color. Doesn't have a color. Oh, the Charming. There it is. I don't know if I'm holding that right. Charming. I love that. And then here's the lip liner. You know I have to keep this. Is this sealed? No. And this is right here. I'm not going to swatch that. Oh gosh, I want to keep this so bad. I'm really trying my best not to, but that one might just have to stay with me. Wow, that'll last you a lifetime, the size of that gloss. $38. I would see where that would be $38. Did I say $38? Because that's massive. Oh, there's something else. Okay. So this is from, oh, Galactic. Great brand. Metallic eyeshadow stick, $20. I love eyeshadow sticks. Just get I don't know, I cut myself the other day. Yeah, no, that was from the lip liner. Okay, if I could get into these. I think that these are just, look at the packaging. Great packaging. These are just so quick and easy. So this is what it looks like right there, this shadow stick. That's a nice, I don't know, I guess you have to turn it up. I'm not sure how that works. Oh, right up here. You can see the color. That's a nice shade. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can turn it back, retracts both ways. I've been loving keeping things like this because it just makes, you know, putting eyeshadow on real quick if you just don't want to put a ton on and you just want to get something on your eyes and get out the door. These are great for that. Once again, not disappointed at all. This is a great, great box. I think we got some great products in this one. And this is, let's see, November beauty tip. Looking for a sparkling lid, apply glimmer, dazzle, or jewels on bare eyelids. Then blend this month's Galactic metallic eyeshadow stick for a sheer sparkling lid. And that is on the back of the card. Once again, never disappointed. I love Selfie Box and am so appreciative of them for sending me a box to give away. So follow all the rules in the description box, and 2 of you will win one each the October Selfie Box. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting what I do. We're almost at 2K if we haven't hit there yet. I'm so excited for that. When I hit 1,000, I'm like, oh, it's going to take me forever to get to 2,000, and it really hasn't taken me that long. And you know, the views are picking up. Everything is just taking momentum, and I'm fine. You know, fine with that. I'm happy with that. I love it. And thank you so much to all of you. That's what I have to say. So this is what we are thankful for, and I'll tell you what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for all of you, just for all your unconditional support, and doing giveaways with a brand or by myself, just to give back and to give thanks to all of you is what it's all about and the way it should be. So I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.